Hey, this is Dr. Shaw with Valley Hills Dentistry in Hickory, North Carolina. Our goal is to provide exceptional dental care tailored to your needs at an affordable price.
This is the WHKY News. I'm Rob Eastwood in for Ralph Mangum. Welcome into Community Focus, which is brought to you today by Appalachian State University's and Appalachian Summer. WHKY's Arianna Mack leads us off with details on the upcoming reopening of a popular Western North Carolina tourist attraction.
The North Carolina Department of Natural and Cultural Resources and NC State Parks has announced that Chimney Rock State Park and the Chimney Rock attraction will reopen to visitors on Friday, June 27th, exactly 9 months after Hurricane Helene devastated the surrounding communities. Access to the park has been limited since September 2024 due to the loss of the park entrance bridge. The NC Department of Transportation recently completed work on a temporary bridge and repairs to the park's roads. Park hours and additional details will be announced soon. Advance reservations will be required to access the Chimney Rock attraction. The ticketing reservation system at chimneyrockpark.com will go live approximately 1 week prior to the reopening. Capacity will be limited due to the ongoing recovery and rebuilding efforts in the area. Located in Rutherford County, Chimney Rock State Park offers some of North Carolina's most dramatic mountain scenery overlooking Hickory Nut Gorge and Lake Lure. For a fee, visitors can take an elevator or hike to the top of the park's namesake, a 315-foot freestanding rock spire. James Ledgerwood is the park superintendent. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY News.
Thanks, Arianna, and that is great news. The folks in that part of the state sure deserve that after what they've gone through over the last 9 months. The Hickory Police Department will continue to focus on Highway 127 from 29th Avenue Drive Northwest to 1st Avenue Southeast for June's traffic enforcement. P.A.C.T, or Pay Attention in City Traffic Enforcement, will focus on red light violations, distracted driving, speeding, and other traffic violations. For more details on this month's Pay Attention in City Traffic, go to our website, WHKY.com. Throughout the months of June and July, the Conover Fire Department will be conducting routine hydrant flow testing and maintenance across the city. This important work ensures that hydrants are functioning properly and that an adequate water supply is available for fire protection. Report any persistent water quality issues to the City of Conover Public Works Department at 828-464-4808 Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. In the event of an after-hours emergency, call 828-464-3112. For questions or concerns, contact the Conover Fire Department at 828-464-1295. The Hickory Parks Recreation and Sports Tourism Department will host its annual Bike Safety Rodeo with the Hickory Police Department Saturday, June 21st from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. at the Hickory Elks Lodge in downtown Hickory. For more information, you can contact Lisa Miller at ammiller@hickorync.gov. Thank you all for joining us today. On behalf of Arianna Mack and Jason Savage, I'm Rob Eastwood, and from Hickory, good night.